Yo, Ebusia, come with me again. Oh, come with me again. This is your humble servant right here on this platform, Top Gossip 24. Ebusia, I have a breaking news, fresh news, unbelievable news for you. Now, for those that think that government is not going to do anything on this self-acclaimed Igbo king and his element in Ghana, I bet to differ. Something has just happened this afternoon, and that is why I'm here. When you see this video, all I want you to do is subscribe and share for it. Let's go watch that video. We'll be right back.
I am Kweku Annan with a breaking news story. This Sunday afternoon, one of the protege of the self-styling Post and embattled Chief Chukudi Jude, identified as Destiny Austin Omon, has just been arrested by the police shortly after the government's intervention in the planned citizens' arrest, which was originally scheduled for Saturday. Destiny Omon was seen on social media casting insinuation at Dr. Hassan Ayaga over his inability to initiate the citizen arrest. According to police source, Destiny Omon is currently in the custody for further interrogation. Our sources further indicate that he is expected to be arraigned before court soon for prosecution. Destiny Austin Omon, police for Ensa Isunumwachini Wea. Asembenya Saturday Tremui, any bra, nese Ghana for na bottom pemniako, Chukudi, Julie na Yakwase, Yebi Nifro Manako, Abrantia Destinomon, Ababontain, Ese Dr. Hassan Ayaga intimi into Sana Monedia, and Obana Wabeden will be seen at Tree. We am a Ghana for be brave, Wefua, a lady to say police for Atigo Montainswa, Yakusu, a brandy Mudindia, Yadenekura, police cells, is here make us say Oshim. Police for nature says so more than Omar ringing up a brandy na Omudinura courtroom. The BC what the intimate, but of course the frontline show is following this developing story and will bring you all the updates. Folks, I am Kweku Annan, and of course this is our breaking news story.
Nobody beating you. Nobody beating you. Who is beating you? Who is beating you?
You have to keep quiet.
Who is beating you? Who is beating you?
You are beating me.
Who beating you? Who is beating you?
You are beating me. You have to keep quiet.
All right, Ebusia, we are back again like the way I told you. I believe that you guys saw the video and saw the narration for our brother Kweku. And this tells you, say, we are not joking. And you are grown a So Destin Emon, one of the Nigerians, Wabetra Ghana Chekakra, Wabon Hudra, I understand that he's been working with some radio stations. Kweku have made a video about him before. But this very afternoon, we confirm he's been arrested, and I spoke with Dog himself, and it is funny, it's interesting. You heard him saying, "Say Omumbunu, nobody is beating him up, Destiny Omon. You are just crying foul for nothing." Dr. Hassan Ayaga can say he want to allow the present government to work on the issue, and that anybody who will come and sound rubbish on social media, he will deal with the person. So you see, now you've been arrested. Now this goes to all the Nigerians living in Ghana. Honestly speaking, let me tell you guys, the point here is it's no more a joke. It's no more like you people come in and say, "Oh, my brother, my sister." No, because you guys have deserted your country. My journey from Ukrum, okay? My journey from Ukrum Ghana, and you want to use the brother, sister, love, whatever it is to see, say you can buy Ghanaians. It's not going to work. Now, I believe strongly with the knowledge of Dr. Hassan Ayaga, having that anytime anybody is arrested, this man there, the self-embattled Igbo king, Chukudi Jude, will go and bribe. So he's doing his bit to ensure that Destiny Omon will be arraigned before court for just coming on social media to make his mouth run. This goes to all of you out there, all those Nigerians making noise on TikTok. If you guys think you are men enough, step down in Ghana and you'll be arrested. This will tell you that the country Ghana is serious about taking care of the criminalities you guys are bringing down there, and we're not going to sit down, fold our two arms and think that tomorrow or today this is going to be solved. Now let me use this opportunity also to say one or two things to all the bloggers out there. Listen, we are not going to rest on this issue. There are a lot of things that are going on that in the coming days, like I told you guys, count on me, Top Gossip. It doesn't matter who will come and test or comment below and give me negative energy. It doesn't matter. I will come each and every day and tell you what you are waiting to hear. Okay, I will tell you. So those Nigerians coming to my comment section, your bad and negative energies of testing and saying all those things, I won't listen to it, because until we do this and we help you guys to clean your system, until we help you guys to clean what is going on in Nigeria, until we help you guys to make sure your government do the needful, you guys will run hell scatter. Like I said on my previous video, you guys are running hell scatter, deserting your country, leaving your country, and you are running hell scatter to other countries. And then when you get there, you won't shut up. Like this guy, you think that you can just do anything at all you like on social media and be laughing at people that Dr. Hassan Yaga couldn't arrest the self-acclaimed Igbo king. You know exactly what happened to the self-acclaimed Igbo king 3 days before the citizen arrest. That is something I will talk about later on this my platform, because I have to address him in person. So I won't say anything right now, but I will tell you guys, Ebusian, I will tell you guys 3 days before the citizen arrest what happened to Deja and why people even start pitying and people start calling for help and people start making the push that we should cancel that. Okay, because that is there. I'll come and tell you guys, but this is a warning going out there for all the bloggers, the Nigerian bloggers in Ghana. Keep your mouth shut on this issue, because we are not done yet. This issue is nothing like it's dying. It's not going to die. Now let me use this opportunity also to speak out to our brothers and sisters out there in the diaspora. Don't be discouraged. Please don't be discouraged, because this issue has just started. The main aim of everything that we did was to cut the attention of government, and basically that is what we did. Okay, we want to cut the attention of government to ensure they will investigate. Now arresting Destiny Omon will give all those people out there another time to think of what to say. Now you can't just be doing what you're doing, because at the end of the day you will be arrested. Now we are waiting. Today he was arrested, right? He will sleep in the cells today. We want to wait and see if this self-embattled Igbo king, look at you now notice a prayer. We want to see if he will actually go out there and go and see to bail this guy, because at the end of the day we are all here watching. Okay, we are all here watching. So breaking news, Kakramede said Destiny Omon, one of the supporters of the self-acclaimed and battle Igbo king, has been arrested. This news was broke out there by our brother Kwekwana and Mr. Hassan Ayariga a while ago, and that is what is going on. This is a clear evidence that if you joke, you will be in a hot soup. Okay, remember to stay on this platform, Top Gossip 24. I have other things I want to talk about Ghana Immigration Service. Okay, Ghana Immigration Service, the passport office, and the birth and death registration centers in some places. All those things are here. I will talk about in the next coming videos, and I want you guys to stay with me. I also have other videos with respect to what is going to happen in Nigeria tomorrow. Okay, what is going to happen in Nigeria tomorrow? I have other videos with respect to that. I'll show all those things to you guys, and you will see what is going on. Why are the Igbos being too stubborn in Nigeria and they don't want to give up? I'll share that one also to all of you on this platform, Top Gossip 24. So remember, I said you stay here with me. So breaking news, Kakra one say Destiny Omon have been arrested, and I can tell you, allegedly, when he was arrested, somebody have raised a call already to this self-embattled Igbo king, and allegedly he's trying to make sure he will call some other police stations and see what they can do for him. But again, he's failing, because now people have known him to be the one releasing people when they have issues and they have crime issues. So now the police service is even being careful dealing with this particular guy on my right hand side. You understand what I mean? They feel like if they have to continue to deal with this guy, they will be in trouble. Now let me use this opportunity also to say, all the police officers dealing with this guy, be careful. Now This guy is exposing all of you. He's exposing you people. He's exposing how weak the police system is. He's exposing how weak immigration system is. He's exposing how weak our systems are running. So all of you individually, be careful, because at the end of the day, if you are arrested, you will lose your job. And that is what I have to tell you on this platform. Ebusia, stay with me on this platform with your humble servant, Top Gossip 24. Destiny No More is going to sleep in the police cells today, and we'll bring to you guys what will happen from tomorrow. Tomorrow, you join us with more fillers, more filler. I tell you, say, we shall have can say filler, filler. No negative energy, positive energy. Can say what filler. Now I want to see all of you out there, please. Comment filler. We want more filler, because we'll bring to you guys what will happen to Destiny No More from tomorrow. So test there, filler, we want more, and I'll bring you more filler on this platform with your humble servant, Top Gossip 247. Okay, make sure you comment filler for me. When I see your filler, I'll give you more. Bye for now.